will be plenty of space to eat, but not Indian. No Indian, not today. I don't want to eat Indian food. I'm really disappointed last time. Even you realized that there was no taste of it. No black pepper, no red, no spice at all. Nando's sauces are much better than their food, to be honest. Look at the parking here as well. How can we miss it? Because we're looking both this direction. Leamington Spa. There's Amman's, they just entrance for lunch. Very nice place, seems like it. Yeah. Save the Children. They make billions, Save the Children, every year. You saw their programs, but they never really invest in anything. Again, Indian restaurant. This is Have you tried to look for some place to go for food? No? Have you tried to look for the food? Is it? Available, okay. Let's see if something we will find. Middle Eastern, vegetarian. Yeah. What about the Mediterranean one? Okay, now we're somewhere where we came from for parking, isn't it? And we can find something on the way. So here, architecture is entirely different. Very bright, modern buildings. Okay. 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 Let's go all the way up. Come back. But we won't be coming back the same road. We just go around. Is that okay? We're coming from the same direction, so I'm gonna make my. So this architecture feels like a bath spa. You've been to bath spa, right? Yeah. The bath is very old. Okay. Okay. Let's explore, and we settle for something anyway, eventually. That is what I was missing. Bit of wind. So we're gonna go around. Unfortunately, later time we have to utilize as much as we can. Or we can go back to Indian, try different Indian food today. So we're going back this way. Yeah. Because we cannot more explore than that. We can go. Here, this Nando's and everything is there. Have you tried a chopstick? Chopstick, have you heard of it?
Yeah,
oh, very nice.
Somebody said it's not very good.
Not good?
I've never tasted it, not really a fan.
But it's a person to person taste, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
You
not
can-
very sweet.
Yeah. But last one I was tried in Canary Wharf, it was quite disappointing. It was disappointing. Then I tried in Aberdeen. It was tasty.
Japanese sushi?
Yeah.
You don't like sushi, do you?
No. Do you think I would like that? Blend everything.
But they used to have me in Sainsbury's.
Yeah. 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 We are checking everything out finally. You want Nando's? No, I'm not me. See, it's not up to always me. It's you.
Honestly, I
You-
honestly don't mind. You want Nando's? No, Nando's? I'm easy.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah.
Because a lot of
But
greens.
if I really wanted to go somewhere, I'd say to you from me.
Okay. I hope you're okay. Wagamama. Vision Hotel. kept this one as a memory that people are nuts. I mean, this Tinder profile, the one I read to you. Man, it's really dark. really next level. Yeah. That scared the heck out of me. So going this way. Okay.
You don't have to come if you don't.
No, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Oh, sorry. The only worry is my battery is dying, so I have to use your car to charge my battery.
Because he wears these. Like all the time.
That smells nice.
Not buying it today. I could like it.
So just give me time till the evening.
It's the next street, isn't it? Or we can go this way. Car park is there. It's a massive car park, isn't it? Oh yeah, they are nice. These sofas are normally you can see in very nice restaurants, on hotel, sorry. So I'm gonna walk quick because my battery is dying. So I'm gonna go and close the video when I get closer to the car park. No, it's a good city, a little city as well. I know there is more to it, but somehow because of we didn't have much time.